Hey guys, welcome to It's Electric. I am Afis K, and today I've just received my electric unicycle. And listen, I'm an electric car owner, and after driving my car for 2 years, I realized that I don't do that much miles. Probably done just over 7,000 miles. That's probably about 12,000, 11,000 kilometers, wherever you are in the world, if you're not using the metric system. And yeah, I just thought, listen, I could take the tube, I could take the bus. But during the summertime, you do need to get around London when it's a bit congested. I don't want to drive around all the place. It's hard to find a parking space in London. So I decided to start doing some investigation, and I looked at, obviously electric scooters. And I was watching a YouTube channel by a guy called Tushon Forhay. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Check him out on YouTube, Tushon Forhay. And he has an electric unicycle. And I just thought they were just really cool. I mean, just one wheel is self-balancing. I just thought, hey, definitely, solves the congestion issue that I have, and they're quite cheap, and they do last for a long time apparently. And yeah, so I got myself what's it called? Yeah, it's a Ninebot one. This is the E Plus version. So I'm just going to be unboxing this right now. So if you follow me to my floor, and I will show you what it looks like. So there you go. This is what it looks like on the box. Oh, it's very heavy. So let me try to take this out. It's quite heavy actually. I probably have to destroy the box a little bit because I find it quite hard to take out. You know what? I'm just gonna let gravity do the work for me. Oh, yeah, it's come out. Oh my word. Here it is. Okay, let's look inside and understand what comes with this. Put this to one side. Okay, so it comes with, oh, alright, that's good. So it comes with a plug. This is actually a European plug, but I was lucky enough because the guy that I bought this off from was generous enough to give me the European version. So when you get this, make sure that you get it, the 3-pin plug to come with it, because it comes with just the European version, which is obviously useless because I'm in the UK. So it seems like it comes with some protective foam around it. This is my first time getting the a unicycle, so I'm bound to scratch it. I'm bound to fall off it. So, and from what I've been told, this particular unicycle is great for beginners because it's quite durable, it's quite tough. It's not as fast, which I don't really care, right now, because I'm not looking to go fast. I'm just looking to learn, and this is the best one for that. Comes with a warranty sheet as well, and it says QC passed, quality control passed, and there's a manual. Check that out. Nobody reads the manual. And oh my word, this is beautiful. I'm just going to take this out. It looks like a premium device. My word, this is nice. It's got the handle over here as well. Let's just take this out of the box. It's quite heavy though. I mean, it's deceptively heavy, but this is beautiful. I mean, if you could just come a bit closer. This is actually leather. This is very beautiful, and this is the pads where you put your foot. This is the, oh, there you go. It's on, and yeah, I think obviously this is the power button over here. Let me switch it back off again. Okay, so it's off. Okay. Oh, I think you press it one time to switch it off. I think it's off right now. And yeah, this is the way you plug it, I think. And how does that? Oh yeah. So what happens is, so this is the plug that comes with over here, and let me just lay it on the floor for a bit and show you guys the plug. All right. So here is the 120 watts by 61 volt power socket, and where is that European here. I think that's it somewhere. Oh, right here. So, I've come close. This goes in there. Yeah, flip it around. And then obviously just plug this. And then you just charge it here. I think that goes, no, that's the other way. Yeah, that goes here. So for you to charge, you just go to here. Just plug it in there. And that just works. So, anyway guys, I think that'll be it from me. Thank you guys for tuning in for this unboxing of my first electric unicycle. I'll be having many more videos in the future. Please tune in to find out, how I get along. I'll be going to Japan for 2 weeks, so you'll probably be getting some videos from me from Japan, and then I'll be coming back. And yeah, I'm looking forward to actually enjoying this bad boy. I think I need to call it something. It reminds me of a film called Wall-E. Yeah, I'll call this Wall-E. So, meet Wall-E. From me and Wall-E, Hafiz K. Take care, guys. Bye.